Most people sharpen scissors like this.
The problem with these style sharpeners is that they just remove way too much steel completely indiscriminately. They remove it in the places that you don't want to remove it from, as well as places that you do.
More and more people are texting me and talking personality. They are unhappy with their result. After all, it is impossible for a simple person to maintain an accurate sharpening angle on the hand stone. And to be honest, and the plastic sharpening tools like this one is not working good too, because it's understandable because of the price, first of all. For example, grinder are very noisy for home users. And in this case, today, I want to show you how to sharpen your scissors professional, very fast. You don't need special skills to do it. And I'm talking about sharpener system Kazak Model 10. With a rotary node that is fixed with magnets. We managed to combine a stylish and interesting engineering design and high technical abilities of this device. Beside the fact that everyone knows the sharpener as knife sharpening system, it is also a sharpener for scissors. All we need is just adapter for scissors. Okay guys, so to begin with, I will tell you that this is device with a rotary node that is fixed with magnet. So what we got here today is our scissors, marker, polishing paste, leather base, diamond stone from 200 to 3000. We got here adapter for scissors, our sharpener system Model 10, our screwdriver, hexagon by the way, and digital implementer, but I don't want to use it today and I will explain later why. So if we want to sharpen our scissors, all we need to do just to install our adapter for scissors. Let me show you how to do it. It's not very difficult. You don't need special skills for it. You just unscrew your clamps first. You put your adapter instead of your clamps first, just like this. Second one. This sharpener have too much interesting things that I want to show you later. Next, what we want to do is just to install our clamps from sharpening system to this adapter. From the box you got two hexagon. So I don't want to fix it right now. So there is many types of scissors and of sizes, you know. I mean that this one is not like, let's call it middle size of sharpener, middle size of scissors. So yeah, all we need to do is just to put this, turn it to our face. Sorry, we will sharp our first. We start from first side of scissors and then we go into the second one. So how I'm just install. So what I'm doing, I'm just trying to find the best position of my scissors, you know. So this one we can fix. Then we fixed our scissors like this. Next one we fixed here on the bottom of our adapter. Yeah, here we go. So what we got here is we got here a very stable. It's not move around the table. It's very like it feels like it's a tank, you know. So I think that we're having a stable angle at the time due to the sharpening with the rotary node. You know, with this magnet system, and it's never like move somewhere. So what I'm using next is marker. I'm using marker because I want to understand. You know, I've never I never sharpened this scissors before. So we just need to do it at the first time. And one important thing I forgot to show you, it's oil for stones. So I put the marker here because I never sharpened these scissors before, and in this case I can like understand the angle of the scissors from the factory. So I'm using some interesting little things about this sharpener is that we can use stop rings, which located here. We just put 200 stone. We start from 200, and we can control this stop rings to have a safe sharpening process. So I'm just put my stop ring here, and the next one is like, it's gonna be like this. Yeah, here is a parking hook for our on the vertical rack. There is a mechanism for adjusting the sharpening angle. This works like this: up and down, up and down. Right now on the screen you can see the process of the like how mechanism for adjusting the sharpening angle work. But the most interesting is that also has a mechanism for fine adjustment of the sharpening angle. So you know, we fixed right here, then we turn it off, this part, and we can find like very teeny like feeling how your angle like going up and down. With this parking hook, it's like more easily for you to put oil for stones. I do like this, like a little bit, not too much. So let's start sharpening our scissors. This is our oil, and right now I want to understand, am I right on angle or not? I think I'm not, that's why I put it a little bit down, unfixed this one. So here we go. As you can see, there is no marker here. I'll show you. As you can see, there is no marker on this part, so that means that angle is not very good. Not like there is a different angle on this side and different angle on this side. So I want to work more with my 200 stone from the start to the end. So I want my angle to be the same on all parts of these scissors. Make sure that you fix those adjusting mechanism of sharpening angle here, and let's go. I'm ready. Every time, like I want to be sure that to make sure that all my system is stable. Yeah, just lift that. Good. Stop rings work sometimes, you know, when I just, and my hands are always safety in the safety zone. If you ask me how long it takes to sharpen with one stone, then here is my answer. It all depends on the condition of the knife blade. You know, I mean scissors blade and this and stones, of course. In this case I will sharpen for I think with 200 I will sharpen in this case, because angle is not the same on like from this side and this side, you know, and we need to work more with 200. That's mean that I will sharpen it like for 5 minutes, maybe 4 minutes. 4 minutes for to get a stable result of angle on all the scissors. But almost after it, you don't need to do the same to spend 4 minutes. You can spend 1 minute or 2 minutes with one stone, because I never have, like I told before, I never have been sharpening these scissors before. That's why I'm doing it. I need to sharp more with 200 diamond stone on the first time, for the first time. So these stones like 400, 800, 1 and 1500, 1000, 3000 I will use for 1 or for 2 minutes. So one more interesting thing is that if you want to make your process more faster, you need to work with the stone on 2 ways: going like up and a little bit right, then going down, then you go up and left, like you work like this always, like X. At this time I can use my digital inclinometer to understand the angle of my scissors right now. So what I'm doing, need to zero this digital inclinometer. I put 0 and then I put here. So it's 2.75, and you can write it on your paper and or just to remember it, like, or just save it in your head, like your scissors, this model is next time you will sharp on 2.75, you know what I mean. If you want to save your stones, don't forget to clean it with your oil. So next one is 400. If you put too much, just use your paper. It's enough for 400, 800. Let's go. We put oil with our bam, bam, and here we go again. Next, I'm using 1500 stone. What I'm doing next, I'm unblocked this screw on mechanism for adjusting the sharpening angle, and I'm using again fine adjusting, because I want to make it a little bit up and like a little bit, you know what I mean, just a little step to make my angle going up. And I'm using, that's why stone will work more on the end of your blade, up and fixed. It's enough for the stone. 3000 guys, 3000, a little bit of oil. And what I like about the polishing is give you more better results. So what I'm just put my made in France polishing paste Lexar, like this, like this. it's enough because it's almost there. Wow guys, the blade looks so not like mirror, but close to that. So with leather, when we polish and use polish paste with our leather base, we work only on ourselves, like down, don't never move it like up to you, because you know, because you can, as you can see, you can break your leather. I think this video will help you. Yes, it's enough. So the same thing we do with this another blade of our scissors. So it was, the last time it was 2.75 and right now 2.75. That's what we need. All I need to do right here, I just need to use my two hands all the time, because you know it's always do like that. So let's go. Let's work with 400. Let's go for, you know, you can use your stone without oil, but I like to work with oil. It's more comfortable and it's more safety for your stones, especially. Let's go. Again, fine adjustment. With these guys we get amazing result. Like let's check what these scissors can do right now. We make this like very, you know, very wet. And let's use this method with plastic rub. Like, let's use this plastic rub. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm so happy with that. So let's talk about conclusions about the sharpener system Kazak Model 10. So let's talk about the result. I'm so happy with the results of sharpener, like of sharpening of these scissors. It's 100%. The comfort of using this sharpener is very great on the top. Stop rings make you safe. On the vertical rack there is a mechanism for adjusting the sharpening of the angle, and there is also a cool thing like about the fine adjusting of the sharpening angle. This model is include digital inclinometer,
electronic goniometer,
or inclinometer. I don't know the right name of this equipment. Anyway, it's included in basic model Model 10. Very comfortable stone clamps, like it's standard clamps, which you can see on the Apex system. So this means that it's not very difficult to find on internet or in local stores stones for this sharpener. It's very important. I like parking and hook. It's magnet system. I want to talk about it next time more when we will sharpen our knife next time. This is very stable and steel made sharpener system, so the weight of this equipment is 3.3 kilograms or 7.27 pounds. So that's all I want to show you for today. Please subscribe our channel, check our website kazakusa.com. Thank you for watching and see you. Bye.